Okay, so as of now, we have completed the six practicals. Mm. So first practical was about the introduction of the Cisco packet tracer, in which we have done the configuration of the router using the CLI, right? That we have done. Second is about the basic networking commands. Third was about the LAN topologies using the Cisco packet tracer. Fourth was HTTP server configuration. Fifth was configuration of the DNS server. And sixth was the email server configuration, right? So up till now, we have done all the practicals. So all are on the same page. Okay, so let me know the status. How many of you have completed all the six practicals in the chat box? Okay, first and second practical is remaining, rest of all done. Okay, what about others?
I think sixth is remaining in our lab.
DNS?
Maybe that one.
Oh, DNS, I think it was done. Divyajit, I think you were there, right? In the offline session, we have done that. DNS વાળો પ્રેક્ટિકલ છે એ કર્યો તો ને જ્યારે ઓફલાઈન ક્લાસ ચાલુ હતા ત્યારે? Okay. Okay, no problem. We'll do that practical today. ठीक है? बाकी सारी labs में हो गया है. So I think in this lab might be remaining. So we'll do that practical today. Okay, what about others? Raj, your fifth practical is remaining. You are saying that.
Ma'am, I have done till fifth.
Okay, you have done till fifth.
દેવજી ટોપોલોજી વાળો fourth practical હતો.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. What about others? Tanmay, Raj, Harshvardhan, Rishabh. What about you guys? Samir, Ayush, let me know in the chat box your status. How many practicals you have done at your end? 5 practicals are done. Okay. Tanmay, Raj, Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
how many practicals you have done?
I'm 3.
Why only 3? Okay, Harshvardhan, what about you? Harshvardhan and Pema, write your status in the chat box. Okay, so we'll start with the practical number 6, that is about the configuration of the DNS server in the Cisco packet tracer. So I'm pasting the problem definition in the chat box. Okay, I'm sharing my screen here. Is it visible? Okay. So, configuration of the DNS server. So as we all know, we have already discussed in the chapter number 2, application layer, that what is DNS. DNS is a domain name server or a domain name system, right? And what it is used for, we can say, to convert the domain name into an IP address, right? So that was the whole theory that we have already covered in the lecture. So DNS mainly किसके लिए use होता है? Let's say that if I am writing any URL, so it will convert that domain name into an IP address. Now let's say if I have typed www.facebook.com, right? So यहाँ पे we can say कि जो PC है वो तो सिर्फ binary ही समझता है, right? So how it converts that name into an IP address? So at that time, this concept was introduced, that is the DNS, where it converts the domain name into an IP address, right? So we'll see today that how it converts the domain name into an IP address. So in the DNS, we have already covered the points like resource records, types of the resource records we have done. Then we have discussed the hierarchy of the DNS, root level DNS, top level domain, top level DNS, right? That part we have already covered in the theory session. So today we'll perform the practical of the DNS. So open the Cisco packet tracer in your system. Now, as we all know that we need to type the domain name in the PC and we need one server for that. But for connecting these two devices, we need some kind of an intermediate node. So let's take one PC here, one server, and one switch. So here I'm taking the PT switch and I'm connecting this all device with the automatic configured wire. So first of all, you need to set up this in the Cisco packet tracer. आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू गिव द आईपी एड्रेस. ऑब्वियसली हमने जो दो डिवाइसेस लिए उसको हमको आईपी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन भी तो देना पड़ेगा, राइट? देन एंड देन ओनली इट विल वर्क. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गिविंग द आईपी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एट द आउटर पार्ट. So here 192.168.1.1, and same at the PC side I need to give the IP configuration. So here 192.168.1.5, right? Now here I have to give the internal configuration as well. So first of all I'll configure the server here, right? So यहाँ पे पहले मैं क्या करूंगी, I'll just give the IP address to the server. So go to the server, desktop, IP configuration, and give the IP address to the server. So first of all, which IP address I have given to the server, the same IP address I will give here also, right? So I'll write 192.168.1.1. Click on the tab button, right? And click on the another tab button. Here we don't need to give the default gateway. Here we are configuring the DNS server. So here we need to give the IP of the DNS server. But here there is only one server which acts as a DNS, right? So what I'll do in this case, I'll give the same address of the uh, I'll give the same address which I have given in this server. That means this IP address, right? ये जो IP address है वही मैं यहाँ पे DNS server में दूंगी क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक ही server है which act as a DNS here, right? So here the same IP address will be there, 192.168.1.1, and close this. As and when you do up to this, just let me know in the chat box. Waiting for the others to reply. Please let me know in the chat box if you have done up to this step. Okay. Now moving further, what I need to give, I need to give the IP address to the PC also. So the same procedure I will follow. First of all, I need to click on the PC, go to the desktop, IP configuration, and then I need to give the IP address here, right? So यहाँ पे IP address क्या होगा, हमने already दिया है, right? बाहर तो हमने already दे दिया है. So the same IP address will be here also. So 192.168.1.5. Click on the tab, click on the tab, click on the tab. Here the DNS server जो हमने वहां पे दिया था, same address will be here also, right? So 192.168.1.1. Close this tab. Now अभी यहाँ पे हमने DNS का IP address तो दे दिया. Whether it will work or not, we'll check. Go to the PC, go to the web browser, and type any domain name. Right? Let's say www.cisco.com. ये वर्क नहीं करेगा. क्यों? Because we have not set the domain name in the DNS server. क्योंकि हमने अभी तक यहाँ पे domain name set नहीं किया है. So it will not work. So for that, what we need to do, close this, go to the server. Here you need to configure the DNS server, right? So what you need to do is click on the server, go to the services. Here at the left hand side, you can see the list of the services: HTTP, DHCP, DHCPv6, TFTP, DNS. So here the DNS is there, right? So click on the DNS. Here you can find that the service is off. That's why it was not working. Even we have not set the domain name, even we have not given the address also. So that's why it was not working. So let's give it. First of all, turn on the services. Give, or we can say we have to set the domain name here. So www.cisco.com, and address will be 192.168.1.1. क्योंकि DNS सर्वर का एड्रेस क्या था, that is 192.168.1.1, right? So the same address we need to give here also. So here what we have to do, click on the add button for the same. Now if you can see here, the type of the records, the resource records that we have already discussed in the class are given here. We have mainly discussed the 4 types of the resource records: A, C, name, N, X, MX, right? NS and MX. These are the 4 types of the resource records that we have discussed in the theory portion, right? So यहाँ पे by default जो record होगा, that is an A record, right? We need to keep the default record as it is, right? We don't need to modify that, right? We just have to on the service, we need to give the name, we need to set the domain name, and then we need to give the address for the same, right? अब यहाँ पे हमने service on कर दिया, domain name set कर दिया, and we have also given the address. Now click on the add button. By clicking on the add button, it will be added over here. As you can see here, it is added, right? The type of the resource record is this, name is www.cisco.com, and the detail, that is the IP address, is this, right? Now what I have to do, that if I am writing the domain name, that is www.cisco.com, then some web page should be displayed, right? कोई एक web page display होना चाहिए. So what I need to do for that, I need to configure the HTTP service as well, right? So go to the HTTP. Now here you need to change the index.html file. So as you can see here, it's already there, and I am modifying this file, and whatever the changes I'll do here, that will be reflected, right? So here I am modifying this. Here I'm writing welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer configuration of the domain name server in the Cisco Packet Tracer. Now save this. When you click on the save button, you can see here that it will ask that this file is already there with the same name. Do you want to overwrite it? Click on the yes button. It will be saved. Now close this tab. What we need to do now we need to check whether it is working or not. Whatever the configuration that we have done on the server, that is working or not, right? So for that, go to the PC again, and here you can find the web browser. If you just check my screen, you can see here the last tab is there, that is of web browser. So click on the web browser, and here you need to type the domain name, whatever the domain name that we have set. So that is www.cisco.com.
Ma'am, can you repeat after HTML?
Sorry.
Ma'am, can you repeat after HTML part?
Okay. So first of all, go to the server. Services are there, right? Now we have already configured the DNS service. Now go to the HTTP, and the fifth number file, that is index.html file, you need to edit that. So I have clicked on the edit button, and whatever the portion was there, head, body, that I have removed, and I have added this 2 line in that, right? So I have just modified that page, and I want to check whether this modification is reflected or not, right? So that I have done over here. As and when you are done with this, just write in the chat box done.
मैम
Yes, Raj.
वो एरोस ग्रीन नहीं हुए हैं अभी तक।
तुमने कौन सा वायर लिया था फॉर
मैम ये
कनेक्शन?
ऑटोमेटिक वाला, ऑटोमेटिक ऑरेंज।
So have you given the IP address?
यस मैम, आईपी एड्रेस एंड डीएनएस एड्रेस आल्सो।
Okay, share your screen.
यस मैम।
तुमने पक्का ये ऑटोमेटिक कॉन्फ़िगर्ड वायर ही लिया है?
हमने ऑरेंज वाला ही लिया है।
ओके
ये सर्वर का।
ओके क्लोज।
पीसी मैंने दूसरी बार डाला, पहले बार मैंने
राउटर
ये
क्यों लिया है
डाला।
डियर? राउटर नहीं लेना है।
अरे स्विच लेना था ना।
हाँ
सॉरी
स्विच लेना था।
सॉरी गॉट इट।
हम्म
थैंक यू मैम।
ओके okay. So may I move further now? Samir, have you done up till now? Okay. Okay, so we have configured the HTML file as well, right? Now what we need to check is whether it is working or not, right? Whatever the configuration that we have made in the DNS server, that's working or not. That we need to check that whether it converts the domain name into an IP address. So for that, go to the PC, go to the web browser and write the domain name here. Now, which domain name will write here? Obviously, whatever the domain name that we have set in the DNS, that domain name we need to write. So, www.cisco.com and click on the go button. So, you can see here the changes that I have done in the index.html file that is reflected over here, right? So that is this is your output that you have written the domain name and it is working. So it converts the domain name into an IP address. Call that web page from the with the help of HTTP protocol, and it is reflected over here. Right now, instead of a domain name, if you are writing the IP address, obviously it will show, right? Because ultimately convert to IP address में ही हो रहा है, right? So 192.168.1.1 and it will work. Click on the go button, it will work, right? So you can see here. So it will work in both the way, right? In the HTTP, we have just given the IP addresses. We have not set the domain name, right? But in the DNS, we need to set the domain name as well, right? Domain name set करना है और फिर check करना है कि whether it's able to convert the domain name into an IP address or not. So it will work for that also. So here again I am writing www.cisco.com and it will work.
मेरे में दूसरा आ रहा है आउटपुट।
क्या आ रहा है?
मेरे में भी हम जो ऑफिशियल है ना वही आ रहा है।
Welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer.
Opening
Opening
door
door to
to
new
new
opportunity. ये ऐसा कर दे.
हाँ, शेयर योर स्क्रीन.
Okay मैम. मैम visible?
Yes, it's visible. Okay,
Yeah.
go to the server. Server.
Server.
ये टैब क्लोज कर दो.
एक सेकंड मैम.
हाँ, go to the server now. वहां नहीं आएगा डियर. बाहर जो दिख रहा है ना वो डिवाइस पे जाना है.
अच्छा ये मैम.
ये हाँ. Go to the services. Now
Services.
http
HTTP.
first one index.html file edit करो. हाँ, you have not edited this file. अब यहाँ पे क्या करना है, सेकंड से
किया
सेकंड
था
लास्ट तक रिमूव कर दो. हाँ, और फिर कुछ एक दो लाइन लिख दो.
तो मैंने तो एडिट की हुई है ये, फिर भी सेम
मैंने
चीज
भी
है.
किया था.
ओके ओके राज, आई एम सीइंग योर्स आल्सो. पहले इसका कंप्लीट हो जाता है फिर देखती हूँ तुम्हारा.
हो गया मैम.
ओके, सेव. यस. डीएनएस पे जाओ. वही है डीएनएस.
DNS yes मैम.
ऑन है सर्विस. ओके ओके
On है.
डन. ओके, अब पीसी में जाके ब्राउजर में जाके फिर से लिखो.
आ गया मैम.
ओके, इट्स देयर राइट.
Yes मैम. Thank you मैम.
ओके राज, शेयर योर स्क्रीन नाउ.
HTML फाइल index.html.
तुमने सेकंड लास्ट index.html फाइल कॉन्फ़िगर की है.
हाँ मैम. अच्छा ओके. image.html फाइल कॉन्फ़िगर किया मैंने.
हाँ
Yes, मैम. अभी वापस इसका तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता ना.
हाँ, नहीं अभी index.html फाइल फिर से करो. http पे जाओ, index.html एडिट. हाँ, अब इसे एडिट करो.
आ गया मैम.
है ना. डन.
Yes मैम. Thank you मैम.
Okay. So this is all about the configuration of the DNS server, right? Sameer and Raj have shown their practical. What about others? Okay, Darshan has done. Good. There are two Darshan. Darshan Parmar has done. What about you, Darshan Manyar? Divyajit, Harshvardhan, Jignesh, Pema, Preet. Okay, Divyajit has done. Shri, what about you, Shri? Saif, Why you are in hospital? What happened? Okay. Okay. ठीक है. What about you, Saif? Okay. Okay. What about you again? Harshvardhan and Rishabh. Divyajit, ask Harshvardhan to respond me. I want every one of you to do the practicals. And one more thing that I want to announce in your class, that on 28th March, that is on the Sunday, your final exam of Cisco will be there, and it will be activate for just one day, right? 28 के बाद वो reactivate नहीं हो सकती. So it will be activated only on Sunday, that is on the 28th March. So you need to complete your CCNA final exam on 28th March. Don't forget to do that. Final exams reactivate नहीं हो सकती है. अगर final exams नहीं दी है, your certificate will not generate, right? And before attempting the final exam, you need to give the course feedback. आपको उसके पहले course feedback देना होगा, right? So course feedback is already activated. आप 28 से पहले course feedback दे दो. If you are not giving the course feedback, you are not eligible to give the final exam, right? So for attempting the final exam, you need to give the course feedback. It's compulsory to give the course feedback. How many practicals you have done, Harshvardhan? मैम 8, 6 in lab, rest 2 in here. टोटल कितने किए हैं आपने? Total 4. Okay, you have done today's practical. So why you were not responding? But you were not responding. That's why. That's why I asked Divyajit to call you. Okay, okay. But I think blood donation camp was yesterday. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. Okay. So moving ahead with the second practical, that is about the VLAN, right? Now I have already floated the format of the lab manual, right? मैंने Google Classroom में already lab manual का format share कर दिया है. So you need to prepare your lab manual accordingly, right? Let me just share that link with you all. If you have not joined the Google Classroom, you can join it right now. So I have shared a link of the Google Classroom. If you have not joined, you can join it right now. And I'm also sending the invitation link, invitation mail for the same, because many students have not joined. As you need to submit your lab manual in the Google Classroom only.
मैम ड्यू डेट
ड्यू डेट अभी सारे प्रैक्टिकल्स खत्म हो जाएंगे, उसके बाद ही सबमिट करोगे. बट बिफोर द टर्म एंड, आई थिंक योर टर्म एंड डेट इज 15th May. इट्स अ टेंटेटिव डेट, राइट? सो 15th May से पहले ही आपको सबमिट करना होगा. आई विल जस्ट इन्फॉर्म यू द ड्यू डेट, राइट? जैसे ही प्रैक्टिकल्स खत्म होते हैं, आप फॉर्मेट बना लो पूरा. जैसे हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल्स करते जाते हैं, यू जस्ट पुट द स्क्रीनशॉट along with the description and you need to just submit it last. हाँ, पीडीएफ में है, पीडीएफ में ही देना है. So I have already sent an invitation to all the students. You can check your mail. If you are not there in the Google Classroom, just join it. And in the Google Classroom, I have shared the OneNote content and the practical format. दोनों उसमें ही शेयर किया है.
और फिर मैंने आपका तो बुलाया है और मैंने सबको भी बोला है. हाँ मैंने देखा विश्वराज को ना बच्चा विश्वराज अहमदाबाद में है वो यहाँ पे नहीं होगा.
मैम उस सिस्को में हैंड्स ऑन स्किल एग्जाम है वो हमें करना है.
क्या?
उस सिस्को में हैंड्स ऑन स्किल एग्जाम
हाँ, वो
करना है.
पर अभी वो एक्टिवेट नहीं होगी ना, डेडलाइन तो चली गई है.
वो पीटी वाला भी एक्टिवेट नहीं है.
हाँ, अभी कुछ एक्टिवेट नहीं होगा बिकॉज 15th मार्च वाज द डेडलाइन.
ओके मैम.
Okay, so I hope everybody has done the CCNA course, chapter 1
Ma'am.
to 11. Yes, Tanmay.
मैम ये जो आपने अभी गूगल क्लासरूम में पीडीएफ भेजा है वो क्या चीज का?
कौन सा?
गूगल क्लासरूम में पीडीएफ है मैम, वो किस चीज के लिए है मैम?
पीडीएफ है वो चैप्टर 1 चैप्टर 2 है जो हमने क्लासरूम में थियरी पढ़ रखी है उसके लिए है वो.
ओके मैम.
दैट आई हैव शेयर्ड, वो मिड सेमेस्टर के लिए मैंने शेयर किया था.
यस मैम.
सेकंड शिफ्ट ना होना चाहिए सेकंड शिफ्ट में टाइम नहीं.
Okay, so I hope everybody has done the chapter number 1 to chapter number 11. सब लोगों ने एग्जाम्स और क्विज दे दी होंगी, right, for the CCNA. And you have to achieve at least 75% score in the CCNA course. If you have not achieved the 75% score, then your certificate will not generate. अगर कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जिसका स्कोर 75% से लेस है, then let me know right now.
मैम प्रैक्टिकल पीटी स्किल्स वाली एग्जाम भी फाइनल वो भी लॉक्ड है ना?
पीटी स्किल्स एग्जाम्स एंड हैंड्स ऑन एग्जाम अब दोनों लॉक ही होंगी. Harshvardhan, how many chapters you have completed? Yes, Raj.
मैम पहले बीच में खुली थी क्या?
हाँ, 15th March तक सब ओपन था. 15th March was the deadline to complete all the tasks. I have already sent an email for the same.
लिखा था मैम
मैम नहीं खुला था.
नहीं खुला था मैम. प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम से यूनिट 6 में और यूनिट 10 में ये दो में ही थी पीटी प्रैक्टिकल. लेकिन वो पीटी स्किल्स वाली जैसे फाइनल एग्जाम है ना, ऐसी प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिकल पीटी वाली भी कुछ तो था, वो नहीं ओपन हुआ है मैम.
ओके, 1 to 11 चैप्टर्स उसे छोड़ के 1 to 11 चैप्टर्स की एग्जाम हो गई है.
हाँ मैम हो गई. फीडबैक फॉर्म भी हो गया.
ओके, अभी तक का स्कोर क्या है?
वो भी हो गया.
ओके, अभी तक का स्कोर क्या है?
स्कोर तो नहीं देखा.
मीन्स अप्रॉक्स स्कोर एवरेज क्या होगा?
मैम ऐसे सब में 90 100 100 और किसी किसी में 90 प्लस है मैम सब में।
ओके ओके, तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। सो यू कैन गिव द फाइनल एग्जाम एंड योर सर्टिफिकेट विल गेट जनरेटेड।
मैम किसी की भी ओपन नहीं हुई हो, मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ।
हाँ, बट मैंने वो देखा था वो इश्यू, बट 75% से लेस है, देन विल डू समथिंग।
ओके मैम।
चैप्टर्स तो वापस से ओपन नहीं हो सकते। आपके कितने चैप्टर्स बाकी है हर्षवर्धन?
सर विश्वराज जाएगा, उसको बोला है। और कल उन्होंने कॉल
और 7 तक का स्कोर क्या है?
करेगी।
85।
ठीक है सर, तो मैं आपका विश्वराज का कंप्लीट नहीं, और फिर नागा और एलिया। वो मुझे नहीं पता था, मैं साइबर सिक्योरिटी के बच्चों को नहीं जानती हूँ। ठीक है सर, मैं
अगर 85 है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। फिर भी देखते हैं, एक बार फाइनल एग्जाम अटेम्प्ट कर लो। ओके, आई थिंक बाकी सबने सब कुछ कर लिया होगा, राइट? Actually, I'm not getting response from some students, so I'm assuming that you all have done. Okay, so shall we start the second practical, or you need to complete the lab manual format? You have two options. जो लैब मैन्युअल का फॉर्मेट दिया है उस हिसाब से आपको लैब मैन्युअल अपनी कंप्लीट करनी है, स्क्रीनशॉट्स एंड ऑल, और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट द सेकंड प्रैक्टिकल।